how to use Google Drive on your computer or laptop. So in this video, I'll be showing you everything you need to know about using Google Drive on your computer. Now, the very first step is we just need to go and open up an internet browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but any internet browser will work fine. Now, from your internet browser, you need to head over to the website google.com, and in the top right hand side, we need to click on Sign In. Now, if you don't already have a Google account, then you need to go and create one completely for free. You can press the Create Account button in the bottom down here. But if you do have an account, then just go and sign in with your Google details. So once you're signed into your Google account, you should see your profile icon in the top right hand side. Now from this window, we're going to click on the square icon next to our profile picture, and then you can select Google Drive. So now that we're in the Google Drive, we can go and upload our files, photos, and our documents. So to start with, click on New in the top left hand side. And the first thing that I'd recommend doing is clicking on New Folder. This is just a good way to go and organize all of your different files. So for this demonstration, I'm going to make a new folder called Photos and then press Create. Now once you've created the folder, you can just simply double click on it to come inside of this folder. And now let's go and upload some documents or some photos into this folder. So if you click on New in the top left hand side, you can then select File Upload, and then you can go and select the images or the documents you want to upload into your drive. You can select them individually, or you can just highlight multiple images and files and then press Open in the bottom navigation. In the right hand side, you'll see the status of these files uploading. So just wait for all of these to turn into green ticks, and this indicates that they've been uploaded into the drive. Now, once a file has been uploaded into your Google Drive, you'll essentially be able to access these files from any device or any computer. All you simply need to do is to log into that same Google account. So this is a really useful method to go in and back up your files, for example. So if something was to happen to your computer or to your mobile, you can always come back over to your Google Drive and still have access to all of those files. So you can make more than one folder as well. So I can come back over to my drive in the top navigation, and I can click on New again, and I can create multiple folders. And this is a good way to go and organize all of your different files and documents. You also have some free applications that are included with the Google Drive. So this includes Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Vids, and Forms. And you can use any of these just simply by clicking on them. And you can see this one here is a Google Word document. And you can basically start creating a document how you would usually on your computer. In the top left hand side where it says Untitled Document, you can go and give this a name. And you don't have to worry about saving this, as it automatically saves as you start editing the document. So all you would need to do is once you're finished, you can close out of this. And then you can click on Recents from the left hand side, and you'll be able to find that document that we just created. Now, the last thing to mention is you can actually share your files and documents with other people as well. So what you can do is go and right click either on an individual file, or if you wanted to share a whole folder, you can do that as well. You can then come over to Share and then just click on the Share button. Now what you can do is go and type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Click on the drop down arrow next to Editor and decide what access you want to provide this person. So you can set it so they can only view your files and not edit them. You can make them a commenter so they can comment on your files, or you can select Editor, which gives them full access to view, edit, and also delete the files. So I'm just going to select Viewer, and then you can go and press Send. If you need to delete something in your Google Drive, you can simply go and select the files like so. You can then click on this trash icon in the top navigation, and as you can see, these files will be sent to the trash bin in the left hand side. And as you can see, all the files here will be deleted forever after 30 days. So if you accidentally delete something, you can always recover it within 30 days, and then after that it will be permanently deleted. So that's basically how you use Google Drive on your laptop or computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.